This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 2 Review. How to go niche at scale. So, Aiko, what kind of business are you thinking about starting? Handmade stationery with traditional Japanese designs. But sometimes I feel like it doesn't make any sense to focus on that niche. Actually, I think it does. The internet is Tokyo. What do you mean? In Tokyo, there are all sorts of really, really strange shops, and they survive because there are so many people. That's true. I've seen those kinds of shops. Yep, online is the same. Even a small group becomes big when your market is 40 million people or more. You just need to find the right customers. Wow, I never thought of it like that. So even a niche can grow if the audience is global. Absolutely. If your product is good and you market it well, your little corner can become a big success. That gives me a lot of hope. Thanks, Sarah. Anytime. I can't wait to see your online shop. I'll be your first customer. Okay, thank you.